Good morning, good morning, good morning, scrappers, scrappettes, and my little scrappeteers. We're gonna go scrapping. Yes, we are. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. Oh, what more can you ask for? I don't know. I would never complain if it's like this. All right, so we'll see you when we get to our stomping grounds. We are here. Let's start it off. Let's see what we got. So, that being said, let's get this thing started. We have ourselves a screen here. Let's get some aluminum. Betty's all empty today. She's a little dirty. I made a mess, but she's empty. Let's see if we got something in here. What do we have here? And an umbrella. What else? No, motor oil. That's okay. Umbrella it is. All right. Down the street we go. We have a light. We have a light in a basket. Let's get the basket. All right. We'll leave that. We don't need any of that. There we go. We'll cut the cord in a little bit. We'll cut all that wire. Let's roll on. Here in the aluminum man. No, nothing in there today. Let's see in here. Yeah. Just some dirty aluminum. Sorry, just a piece of foam. We can get that out of there. What else we got in here? Broken toolbox. That's it. Wi-Fi. All right. That's it for that. Yeah. Some kind of Wi-Fi. Let's keep moving. Things here. Oh. Let's see what this is first. Is it metal? It is metal. No, that's not metal, that's wood. All right, that's wood. What do we have here? Nothing. Yeah, little grill thing here. A chair. Let's grab the chair. Got us a chair and some lights. What is this? Yeah, a couple of lights. All right. How you doing? All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh, golf clubs. Why not? Yeah, we'll take all of it. Yes, we will take it. Always need that. That's a very good thing. Let's see. Metal. Okay. Alright, let's see. I see a garbage open over there, so let's see what it is. We got ourselves a broken table. We'll take a broken table. Any day. All right. Let's see what else we got up there. All right, we got something over here. Get ourselves a chair. Let's grab the chair. Anything else? No, a lot of Amazon boxes, but nothing else. I organized this just in case. All right, let's continue. All right, we got a little bit here. Let's see what we got over here. There we go. All right, and there we go. All taken apart. A beautiful thing. Always a beautiful thing. Oh, we got even more. We got plenty more. Another canopy bites the dust. Broke it in little pieces. He got fed up with it. Enough is enough. There we go. Got one more here. Two more little pieces. That's it. We'll put the table back in there. And we'll go on our merry way. Oh my goodness, Ruffy. There we go. All right. Let's continue. All right, like I always say, we're in the area. Might as well check it out. You'd be surprised, like we are today. We got some stuff in here. All right, time for the claw. Oh, nice wire. Yep, nice wire. There's some more wire. Yeah, sometimes I'm surprised of what I find here. What else we got here? All right, let's put this away. Let's put this away and get the claw. We organized a little bit. Let's get the stuff out of here. PCV, but it has wire in it, so let's get the wire. A good wire. That's great wire. Let's get some more. Yeah, this will come out. There we go. More good wire. Number one. Yeah. It's like I say, sometimes you hit it, sometimes you don't. And we hit it. Come on. There we go. No, the only thing that's metal is just the tip. Just the front part. I don't know. Let's see what we can get out of here. All right, just give me a few minutes. Cameraman is slacking again. He thought he had the camera on and he didn't. Oh my goodness. Good help is hard to find. It's hard to come by, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Weren't we just talking about that this morning? I thought we talked about that this morning. Okay. Let's see if we can fish these out of here. These are a little clumsy, but let's go. We got one. We got one out of there. Whew. Let's see if we can get the other one. Yeah, we got it. We got it out of there. Saving stuff from the landfill. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Let's put all this wire in Betty. In Betty, be careful what you say. In Betty. Put this wire in Betty. There we go. Let's clean up and go. All right, nice score. Okay, let's put it back here then. Put that in there so we don't break it. We need that plastic top. There we go. Woo. Yes. Might as well take it. All right, let's close that. Let's go. We just drove by a barbecue. Let's get the barbecue. There we go. Let's get some weight off of it. Always get some weight off of it. so that ticked me off a little bit. I mean, they would have told me right there and then, I would have done it right there and then, but they waited till I left. So it is what it is. What do we got to do? You can't fix everything in this world. Let's see. No, it's all metal. Let's get this out of here. Is this stainless or metal? That's all metal too. Everything gets sold as stainless steel this, stainless steel that, and it's all metal. All right, let's get this barbecue in. There we go. Ain't going nowhere. Let's continue. Jesus, it is heavy. Oh my goodness. All right, let's put this barbecue right. Give me just a few minutes. All right, let's give this a try. It is heavy. Let's just give it a try and see. If we not, then we're gonna have to leave it, but we don't gain anything by not trying. Oh. Whew. Come on. Work with me. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna get stuck there. Uh-oh. Hold on. Oh. Ooh, man. Some heavy stuff. All right. Let's try to get it over this hump. There we go. Oh. All right. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Whew. What's in my way? Nothing. It's just not going. All right. That's how it's gonna have to go. We'll tie it down. We got it on here though. All right, let's tie it down. We got it tied down. That's not going anywhere. That's all tight. Yeah, we got it. Let's get this in here. That don't look right there. That's gonna look better right here. No. I guess here's fine. There we go. All right. Let's finish up. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop this off at the scrapyard in the morning. Yeah, because I have too many things on here. I'm gonna run into a big problem if there's stuff in the route. So yeah, I changed my mind. It's already late anyway. Like I said, I burned up half of the day. So yeah, no biggie. We'll take this to the scrapyard in the morning. here. We're here. They just opened up. Let's go see what we weigh. All right, we are at 4,000. Morning. 4,000 even. All right, let's get unloaded. It is. It's heavy. He should be able to get it there. Yeah, he got it. Bye-bye. All right, let's see if we don't get hurt with this barbecue. Oh, boy. All right. There we go. Yes. I hope everybody's having a good morning. Let's get this one out of here first. That goes over there. All right, all of this is gonna want to fall. See if we can get some of this stuff out of here. There we go. All right. What's up, buddy? All right. Let's get our last bunch of poured out. No, I didn't see him over there. He must have been in and out. I'll stop by today. boss man. You take it easy. All right, let's get all Betty swept up. Start from scratch. All right, she's all clean. Let's go. Way out now. Looks like 3460. 3460, 3440, something like that. We'll see in a minute. All right. Thank you. Have a good day. So we came in at 4,000. That's at 3460. 540 pounds, 3780. So yeah. All right. 3780 it is. Thank you again. Thank you to the subscribers, to my old subscribers, the viewers, the comments, everybody. We couldn't do it without you. I always say it and I'll keep saying it. It doesn't matter. I'll say it and say it and say it. To the next video. Everybody be well. God bless. And always recycle.